The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, eastern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Josephine Lee and was moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Dunmock, East Point, Turner's Station, Back River, Essex. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Say, something is burning around here.